How to share live location on WhatsApp iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share live location on WhatsApp iPhone. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. After getting into your WhatsApp account, tap on your friends chat with whom you want to share your live location. Once you're in the chat of your friends, tap on Add icon from the bottom left corner. You will find the location option from here. Tap on it, and in this, you will see the option to share your live location. To share your live location, you can select the time for your live location. You can choose to share it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 8 hours. Select the time of your live location and tap to share it. After that, your live location will be shared with your friend. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.